Alright, hello, everybody. So, just a quick video for you guys. There's something a little different that I'm gonna show to you guys. Is how to replace a light bulb. So, as you see, this light bulb just burned out this morning. So I do know how to change that, which it has been a long while since the bulb has never been burned out. So not sure what the last time Intel was, but I'm going to show to you guys. So I do have enough to reach that thing. So yep, here's this bulb right here. That's uh, a new bulb. So yeah, so it's like the same bulb. So which it's like the same size one. So all right, so here we go. That if you haven't seen the this one into your house, so I'm going to show to you. Which I was always careful, so don't get worried about me. I need to move these stuff out of the way. Here, let me. So yeah, before I put a new bulb in, I had to turn off this light to do that, which you don't want to leave this on while you're putting that bulb in. Trying to figure out which. Okay, it's that way. Yeah, it's been a while since. Yep, I'll be very careful. Because I don't really leave this on not too often, so. Ah, crap. No, oh well, I'll just get it. Even has like a thing that screws. Here you go. Yep, that was it. Right here. So, you know what? Actually, no wait. Can I still? It says it's burned out. So, man, oh that thing. Man. Well, I think it won't hurt it. So, I'm trying to figure out which one it is. Oh, there we go. Oh man, that's a lot of dust. Sorry guys, it's like a little dusty. Yeah, there's gonna be some dust in here. Yep, there's that bulb. It's like the same size bulb as that one. It's like a little smaller, but oh, cannot do anything about that. Yeah, I know it's a little dusty, which that's okay. It happens like all the time. Which yeah, it has been dusty this whole time. So alright. Let's put that. Yep, so here's the old one that is burned out. If you'll see that thing. Glad I didn't break that thing. Yep, it's more important to turn off the light before you. Well, it's more important that to turn off. So. Which it will fit. So. There we go. That'll work. Hopefully that will work. Alright. Let's see. And the internet bots. It's only a couple minutes. Alright, let's see. Ooh, wow. That's a beauty. Alright, it's in. Actually, that was so. That was bright. Like, so bright. I'm trying to find out where that thing was. Oh, it fell off the floor. Okay. There you go. And that's how you do it. Now let's see how it was when I put it in. Alright. At least it didn't hurt that thing. Trying to find out where that thing was. Oh, yeah. There we go. I had to make sure it's not crooked or anything. Because sometimes seeing things that can't get crooked sometimes. Whoops. Shoot. Yeah, sorry. I was being very careful into that. It's gonna be kind of a little slow sometimes. Yeah, I will be uploading that I done that mini bowling lane yesterday. So I'll be uploading these two parts. Uploading with two parts of my mini bowling for tomorrow. So that's what I'm going to do. Let me put that in first. Sometimes I do struggle with these ones sometimes. What? Get in there. Jeez Louise. It's not. It's like it's not. Let me put that in. Ah. Hopefully, I'm not doing it the wrong way. Oh shoot! I think I was. I know you're getting worried for not me to drop that thing. What the heck? Oh, come on. How is it not going in? This is creeping me out. How is it not going in? I was doing it right, you stupid nut. That's funny when I say that. Yeah, this is like a hard work for that. Oh, I was doing the wrong way. I was like turning the wrong way. So silly me, which that was on me, by the way. Oop, shoot. It's all good, guys. Well, it's a good thing it has a bottom with it. It's good. Jeez Louise. Well, it has been a little while. So, there. All set. Yeah, it has been like 4 to 5 years since the bulb has never been burned out. Okay, well, there you go, guys. And that's how you replace a bulb. So, oh yes, I done it just perfectly, and it's really bright in here. It kind of looks a lot brighter than it was. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys drop this one a like, subscribe to my channel, also click the notification bell so you get notified. But also, I was being very careful with it because I know it's like full of, I don't know what it was, kind of like glass, or it's, if that's what that was. But I have done it before, so you won't have to worry about me. Which it has been about like, I don't know, I think it's been about like 4 to 5 um uh years ago since that light bulb has never been burned out. So it has been a long time. So yeah. If you get worried about it, then well, okay. So hope you guys enjoy the video. And yes, we're in the winter advisory that ends until less than an hour, until 9 p.m. We probably got up to like 3 inches of snow. So, alright. Hope you guys enjoy the video. And stay safe.